Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy ground beef casserole using just these ingredients, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, full step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy cheesy meal, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and I'm going to talk you through the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. So there's only 7 ingredients in this, and there's loads and loads of adaptations, lots of other ingredients you can add in. You can take some of these out if you want. It'll all be in the blog post down below. So I have got this lovely beef mince, round steak beef mince. There's 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of beef mince. Use more, use less, depending how many people you're feeding or how much leftovers you want to make as well. So that is what I'm going to use for our family of 4, and there's usually leftovers as well. I am going to have some onion and garlic in it. You can skip it if you're not onion garlic fans. You can add in other vegetables if you want instead. And I'm adding in lots of broccoli, a whole lot of broccoli, to make it lovely and have some greens in it and just make such a great one dish meal. And I've got some sour cream and cream to make this lovely creamy cheesy sauce, so that's what I'm using. You can swap for cream cheese if you want to instead. And of course cheese to make a lovely cheesy sauce. So I know I just said one pot. We're going to use a pan and then a dish. That's okay, 2 dishes. I'm going to start by browning out all the meat over here. We're going to get that cooking, add in some of the veggies, and then we'll make our cheesy sauce and get it into the oven. While it's all cooking, we'll get the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. So while we're browning our meat and getting everything sorted, the oven is preheating, and then it'll all be ready to go. I've also got the stovetop heating with some coconut oil in the frying pan heating up, and we're going to open up the beef mince and also get the onion, garlic chopped up. So I've chopped up an onion and a whole lot of garlic that's mixed in there as well. I've opened up the meat. I've added on salt and paprika. You don't have to add any seasoning, but I suggest adding salt at least. Salt, pepper, any other seasoning you'd like to taste. I added, as I said, salt, paprika. Those are my seasonings whenever I'm cooking ground beef. But yeah, so now I've got my coconut oil heated in my frying pan, and we're going to get the meat and the onion and garlic all nice and browned and sizzling. And while the meat is browning behind me and sizzling away, I've chopped up a whole lot of broccoli into bite-sized pieces, and once the meat is browned, I'm going to add it in and cook for a few minutes along with it too. The broccoli and meat cooked up really nicely, pretty much ready for the creamy sauce, and I've got myself ready over here. There's a half a cup measured out of heavy cream, and I'm also going to measure out a half of sour cream and add that in and give it all a good mix through. Now that the meat is nice and browned and the broccoli is cooked a bit too, and that lovely creamy sour cream sauce is just infused into everything, I've moved it into a baking dish, and now I'm going to mix half a cup of cheese, the grated cheese, through the casserole. Just like that. And now I'm going to cover it with another half a cup of grated cheese, or maybe a little bit more, just to cover all of the lovely casserole with grated cheese. There you go, it's ready to go into the oven, full of cheesy goodness, cheese inside and on top just as we like it. And it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Pop it in for 25 to 30 minutes, or until you've got a lovely cheesy top and it's all cooked through to your liking, which I will show you next. And my easy cheesy ground beef casserole is out of the oven. I love crispy, crunchy, cheesy topping like that, and there's cheese all throughout. Just such an incredible dish and a real family favorite. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full easy recipe for how to make this lovely casserole. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this easy cheesy casserole a try and what you think of it. So if we pop a fork into it, oh, it's all so cheesy and so good. Look at that. Beautiful, lovely meatiness and cheesy, and you get cheese in every mouthful and some good healthy broccoli there too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.